Good morning everyone. Today we discuss about unit and mode of measurement as per ISI 1200. In previous class we already discussed about estimating, purpose of estimating, then types of estimating. Today we are going to discuss unit and mode of measurement as per ISI. Okay? What do you mean by unit and mode of measurement? What is the need of that? The unit and mode of measurement, these are the rules for measurement. The rules for measurement of each item are invariable, described in IS 1200. However, some of the general rules are listed below. Measurements shall be made for finished item of work, and description of each item shall include material, transport, labor, fabrication, tools and plants, and all types of overheads for finishing the work in required shape, size and specification. Okay. Then in booking, the order shall be in sequence of length, breadth and height or thickness. The bill of quantity shall fully describe the material, proportion, workmanship and accurately represent the work to be executed. Okay. So first of all, before going through the measurement, we know about the drawing and plan and the proper knowledge to study the drawing. So first of all, we discuss Yardshark excavation measurement. Okay. This is the format for measurement. First column indicates serial number. Second column indicates particulars of item. Third column indicates unit of measurement. Fourth column indicates unit of payment. Then in particular, first is Yardshark excavation. First one is the Yardshark excavation is a part of Yardshark. Before we going through any construction work, first of all, we clean the surface. Then the measurement is done. After that, we are going through the Yardshark excavation work. It is the unit of, next column indicate the unit of measurement. The Yardshark excavation unit is cubic or meter cube. Then its payment unit also per meter cube. Just example, the Yardshark excavation for a certain work is 1000 meter cube. Then the unit of payment mode is defined by per meter cube. Suppose per meter cube is 200. Then 1000 meter cube is 200 into 1000. Then we can define by the rules. Okay. Next is Yardshark filling, foundation and trench. The extra portion of the excavation we need to fill. So this also the unit is meter cube. It means in this case we consider length, breadth and height. Then workwork in filling in plinth is also the unit is meter cube. Unit of payment is for meter cube. Okay. Then concrete. Second one is concrete. After earth excavation, concreting is done. First, concrete line concrete in foundation. The unit is meter cube. Pavement poured is per meter cube. Then cement concrete in lintel, cubic or meter cube. Unit also for cubic. Then RCC slab, unit meter cube. In this case also we consider length, breadth, height. So unit is meter cube. Unit of pavement also per meter cube. Then CC, cement concrete or RCC, reinforced cement concrete or Chaja, Sunshades is also taken as the unit is measurement is meter cube and unit of pavement is per meter cube. Then LC, lime concrete in roof, terrace. Suppose thickness is specified, then the unit is square meter. In this case, the thickness is already specified in the particulars. Okay, so the unit is square meter. In this case, we only consider length and breadth. Okay, the unit of pavement is also per square meter. Then cement concrete weight, the unit is meter cube or cubic. The unit mode of pavement is per cubic. Then reinforced concrete, sunset, when specified weight and height, then we consider as cubic. Okay. Then unit of measurement also cubic. Then third one is dam proof course, DPC. After cement concrete is provided, then DPC should provide. In this case, thickness already provided, so its unit is square meter and unit of pavement is also per square meter. Then 4 number, brickwork. Brickwork in foundation. Its unit is also cubic. It denote its mode of pavement also per cubic. Then brickwork in plinth. Here we consider length, breadth, height, so unit is cubic. The mode of pavement also per cubic. Then brickwork in superstructure. The also unit is cubic. Mode of pavement is per cubic. Partition wall. In case of partition wall, already thickness is given. So the unit of partition wall is square meter. In this case, only length and height is considered. So unit of pavement also square meter. Brickwork in arch, its unit is cubic. Unit of pavement is per cubic. Reinforced brickwork, unit is cubic. The reinforced brickwork also short form is RB work. The mode of pavement also per cubic. Then 5th number, stonework. Stonework, stone masonry also consider length, breadth, height. In this case, no particular thickness is mentioned, so the unit is cubic. Mode of pavement also per cubic. Then woodwork, door and window frame or chowkat, raptor beams, etc. we consider as cubic. Unit of pavement also per cubic. Shutter of door and windows, thickness already specified in this case, so the unit is square meter. In this case, only length and height is considered. The mode of pavement is per square meter. Okay. Door and window fittings like hinges, tower bolts, sliding bolts, handles. These are the numbers of bolt use, handles use in this case. So, the unit is number and mode of pavement is also per number. Thank you. Remaining part we discuss in next class.